Hi, I'm Paulo Tremolo and I'm going to present you one of the hottest, coolest plugins for 2023, and it's called Transit. I'm going to use just one knob to make complex transitions. So this plugin has been created by Baby Audio in collaboration with Andrew Huang. You probably know Andrew. He's a great musician. He's also a big YouTuber. So I recommend going to his channel. And I'm going to show you his presets one more time. There are lots of them. There are some other presets from other creators like Venus Theory, and also some more creative stuff like this one. So there's lots of things you can do, and let me just explain how it works. Okay, but why I'm so excited about this plugin? Because usually it takes like 10 or 15 minutes to program a break, and it can be done effortlessly with Transit. Look, I came up with this arrangement here. This kind of a deep arrangement, and there is a break and outro here, and I had to program some delays, some volume automation, I had some filtering on bass. Also, I had to put some risers, fallers, and eventually some noise filtering. Let's listen. So usually it's quite complicated, and even most experienced producers need a little bit of time to program it, come up with an idea, execute it, and then finally tweak it to make sure it's right. So, but Transit can also let you, play live when you apply it to stems. And I'm going to show you this with Machine now. Made myself coffee and changed my mind. I think I should explain you how it all works first. So let's go.
People that are experiencing the same thing that you are experiencing.
So this is one of my unfinished tracks in Cubase this time, and I just put Transit on my drum group. And now I will reset the whole chain by pressing this button. I can also change the color scheme if I like. I could, start with some random settings, but I just show you how it all works. I'm choosing the filter. Filtering drums with the low pass filter, and if I want to choose the high pass filter, I can just switch the direction and change the range here.
When 1 minute you're on one side of the room and the next minute you're on the other, and you're not quite sure how you got there, but you know.
You can also disconnect some parameters if you like. Then, I'm going through some neutral settings here, and I will add delay.
Oh man, what's that called again? Whatever it is.
And you could also hear some delay bouncing after I, reset the value here. It's because the FX state at 0 of the transition control is set to off now. Okay, I'll just add some distortion to that. Look, you've also got some presets, so it helps you, get a starting point.
Whatever it is.
You can synchronize the delay or not synchronize, it's up to you. Maybe I'll just add some more creative stuff to that. I will add some noise. I can also change the placement, and I can choose some more modulating and creative stuff like pitch shifting or reverb. Reverb is very high quality actually. I just need a little bit less of reverb probably now.
What's that called when 1 minute you're on one side of the room and the next minute you're on the other, and you're not quite sure how you got there, but...
And now listen to isolation now. Well, it probably needs some tweaking, but you can see it's actually quite simple to do that and quite effective. And there is lots of fun when doing it. And you know, this stuff is really creative, I think. So I will play live for you now using transits, and I just put transit on each group, so each element has its own transit. Listen to the hi-hats. Cool. And now let's go. Super cool. So I'm afraid that's it. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps. I hope I can get some more cool things for review that way. And to wrap it up, I just changed this color scheme to dark. I haven't showed you the randomize function yet, so there are lots of other things you can do with this effect. For instance, we can randomize everything, or we can lock some parts so they cannot be randomized, and it works wonders sometimes. Also, some modules have hidden features, like the speed shifter. With the control clicking, you can change the range from 1 semitone to 24 semitones. So I'm pretty sure there are lots of cool things to be discovered here. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm still playing with this plugin. So please stick with me, and you know, I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.